Hey, it's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine, and I have something really exciting to share with you today. Now, you probably know already that selling software online is one of the most profitable ways of making money. You see all these guys doing it over and over again. You're probably on email lists from countless marketers that are selling you software after software, day after day. You've even probably seen some of the screenshots of their results, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars being made from selling the software. Now, before doing this was reserved to people that were developers, like my partner Brett Rutecki. However, things have changed. This recent vid overlay launch that we just did, I coded the whole thing. I'm not a software developer. I don't know how to write a line of code. I have no idea. You put the code in front of me, have me write it. I have no idea how to do it. I did it all with AI, and we were able to create a software that's going to do about $40,000 in income over the next 365 days. We're able to create an income generating asset out of thin air by simply using AI to take the ideas, put them down in code, and put them out into the universe. So again, this is something that is super exciting because anyone who's ever thought about doing this, anyone who's ever said, okay, I know this is something that I should be doing, but I just have no idea how to do it, this is your opportunity. This is brand new. The people that jump on this right now are going to be the ones that are going to make money with this, but you need to take action and you need to be learning from people that are actually doing this. If that sounds interesting for you, go ahead and click that link below. It's going to take you over to a page where you can sign up for a free webinar that my partner Brett Rutecki and I are going to be doing. We're going to be doing that on Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. You can sign up, join that call, and see exactly how this whole system works. I really think you're going to be impressed by this. Again, I am not a coder, and I was able to do this. Brett's a little bit pissed off about it because he doesn't like the fact that I'm coding now, but it's okay. Normal people can do this. It's a great opportunity. Sign up and join us on Monday.